Hello, we're the inbound logistics forecasting tool team sponsored by Dominos. My name is Mark.
My name is Maheshwaran.
My name is Akshay.
My name is Sethu.
And my name is Colin Rooney.
First, we're going to start off with some of the background behind the project. Domino's Pizza, a global leader in pizza delivery industry with over 19,000 stores in more than 90 countries and annual sales surpassing 17 billion, relies heavy on efficiency with inbound logistics to maintain product availability and service quality.
So the problem statement for us was Domino's has about 27 US supply chain centers that operates independently, and the goal is to create a tool for forecasting their inbound logistics, and this is taking into account the utilization using cubing and weighting algorithms, analyzing transportation cost, and understanding shipping cost.
So for the approach, we focused on building a tailored tool to the logistics team's needs and ensuring strong usability. The project was structured into 3 phases: data cleaning, UI interface development, and optimization logic with Power BI visuals to pair up with it. And the tool should unify the inbound logistics of the 27 independent supply chain centers that they use. So first, for the data cleaning part, we had to use their data set in Excel and clean through the data so it was usable for the calculations. And the user interface, we had to make it simple and easy to use, using the web.
For the optimization logic, we calculated utilization by considering several key factors, such as ship volume per item and gross weight per item. We then calculated cubing out percentage and weighing out percentage, and to determine the utilization percentage, we took the maximum of those two, and that let us understand how efficiently capacity is used on the trucks. So then, based on these calculations, we determined the cost across different lanes and items and provided a detailed view in both lane and item level breakdowns.
So for our result, the final product functions as the way our team intended, and it assists the logistics team in accurately forecasting inbound shipments, reducing transportation costs, and improving operational efficiency. The user-friendly design ensures that the tool can be easily integrated into daily workflows, while the optimization logic will allow Domino's to enhance supply chain performance for the long term.
And in terms of what are the next steps, the goal is to fully integrate this tool into Domino's system and ensure that it is compatible and receive feedback from the team in terms of how further we can develop the tool and also use tools of AI and machine learning to further enhance the accuracy of this tool. And with that, we are done. Thank you.